In less than 5 minutes, you can go from Laravel new to a native app on your phone. If you were curious about NativePHP but haven't had a chance to try it out, or you thought it was too time-consuming, this video is for you. You don't need Xcode, you don't need Android Studio, no developer accounts, nothing. All you need is an iPhone or an Android device and a Wi-Fi network that both your system and your phone can connect to. Let's go. I just started a new Laravel application called My First App with live via starter kit and no authentication. You can pick a starter kit of your choice. I have replaced the entire welcome page with a nice dark background and a single button that says Open Camera. This does nothing at the moment. Let me show you what this looks like. So this is the page and the button does nothing. Now I want to turn this page into an app. So let me install NativePHP. Just run the command composer require NativePHP/mobile. NativePHP 3.3 is installed. Now I don't want to view this page on a simulator on my system. Instead, I want to see it on my real device. So let's use the Jump app to quickly view the same page on the phone. Let's install Jump using PHP Artisan Native Jump. You will immediately see a QR code right here on the terminal. If this QR code isn't rendering properly, you can directly open this in the browser as well. Now on your phone, install the latest version of Jump app. You can search for Bifrost Jump on App Store in iOS or Play Store in Android. This is version 2.0. Install it. There are quite a few things you can do in this new app. You can view the docs, you can watch the videos, you can also check out the NativePHP Playground, which has a lot of native features. Right now, we're going to click on Scan and scan this QR code. Did you see that? In no time, you have an app preview on your phone. Now, this is not just a web view. It can be a native app with all the native functionalities you need. For example, we can actually make this Open Camera button open your phone's camera. Let's do that right now. We can use this first-party plugin, NativePHP/mobile camera. Just copy this command, run this command, publish the plugin resources, and register the plugin. Now that we have the plugin, let's use it. I have created a live wire component Open Camera, and this view right here is the same one you saw on the welcome page. Now let's create a public function, Open Camera, and call the function getPhoto on camera. Now let's call Open Camera from our button right here, wire click Open Camera. Now clicking on the same Open Camera button will actually open the camera on your phone. Are you seeing that? This is amazing. So you have a preview app on your phone with native functionalities in less than 5 minutes. So how does this work? When you run the command native jump, it spins up a local server and a WebSocket bridge on your machine. Your phone connects to both over Wi-Fi. So the app and database are still on your machine, and it's the bridge that lets your PHP code trigger native device features like camera. For now though, you're limited to the first-party plugins that are bundled into the Jump app. So if you want native code or third-party plugins, you'll still have to go through the complete build setup. So if you're a Laravel developer curious about mobile development, this is the lowest barrier to entry you're ever gonna get. Now some troubleshooting tips. If you scan the QR code and see an error like you cannot connect to the server, just make sure your phone and system are on the same Wi-Fi network and you don't have any firewall enabled. If you see that they both are on the same Wi-Fi network and still this is happening, just try and turn on flight mode, turn off Wi-Fi and toggle the flight mode back on. It usually works. If that still doesn't solve it, you can visit the detailed Jump documentation at nativephp.com/jump. You can also join the NativePHP Discord server. There's a separate Jump channel to get your issues solved, if any. So go ahead and explore NativePHP and build the app that you've always wanted to.